Hi guys. Hi, boys and girls, grade twos. Good morning. I want to, before we start the lesson, go to the kitchen quickly, get some of this that you see on the screen. Only two. Go to the kitchen quickly, just check if there is tomato, bring that bottle, come with it. If there is oil, come with it to your table, just come with it. Anything that you see on the screen that you have in the house, even if it's a bottle of cold drink or juice or milk or water, just go to the kitchen quickly and bring some of this in front of you there. Go to the kitchen quickly, bring some of these things that you see in the screen there. A bottle of tomato sauce, if there's tomato sauce in the house, or anything that is in the bottle, or milk, or juice, or yogurt, anything that you have it in the house there. That is a liquid. Bring them quickly in your table. We are going to work with them today. And check if there are numbers in those bottles. Just check if there are numbers there. Even if it's a bottle or even if it's empty, still fine. Even if it's empty, it's fine. Whether it's a bottle of milk or a bottle of water, juice, cool drink, even if it's empty, it's still fine. Is everybody settled now? Did you collect? I hope nobody will go and fetch the car. I hope nobody will go and fetch the car. Only those that we can hold in our hands, just bring them. Are you back? Are you back, boys and girls? Don't forget, when you want to ask something, or I ask you something, just chat there. Just chat, type something there for me so I can see. I can see everybody is settled. My name is Nozipo Makowe. I'm your grade 2 numeracy teacher. Today's date is the 7th of May, the year 2020. The year, the 7th, today is, what is the day for today? The day is Thursday. It is Thursday today. We are left with how many days before it becomes weekend? It's your homework. How many days are left before it becomes weekend? Today we are continuing with our lesson, capacity. Capacity means the amount that something can hold. The amount that something can hold. We see numbers there in those things that can hold. The amount that something can hold. We are going to do number sequencing and we continue with capacity. Are you ready? Are you ready for today's lesson? I am so ready. Everybody is ready, is prepared for today's lesson. We are going to count forward. We are going to write the missing numbers. Missing numbers, we are counting. Let us start. They say start here. Our worksheet says start here. We have 100. I want to see you counting also there. 150. Which number comes after 150? Let us write it. Which number comes after 150? Let us write it. It is 151. 151. After 151, 151, 152, 150. Which number comes after 152? 153. The number that comes is 153, 154. After 154, 155. Are we counting forward or are we counting backwards? Are the numbers becoming small or are they becoming big? Yes, they are becoming big. We are counting forward. 150. Give me the answer. Type the answer for me there. I want to see the answer. 156. 156. 157. What is the number that comes after 157? 158. Perfect, perfect. 158. 159. 159. 160. 100. Now they are leaving more spaces for us now. Can you see they are leaving more space for us? 161. The number that follows, 162. 163. The number 100 that is in the middle between 163 and 165 is 164. After 164, 165, 166. Then two numbers that comes after 166. 167, 168, 169, 170. The number that comes after 170, 171. After 171, which number that is in the middle between 171 and 173? 172. Do you see that we have 3 digits? Because we are now in hundreds. We are counting in hundreds. We have 3 digits. We have 3 digits. 173, 174, 175, 176, 177. Which number comes? The two numbers that comes after 177. Give me the answer. Yes, 178. I want your answers there. You must type 178, 179, 179. After 179, 180, 181. Which number are you counting, boys and girls? 182, 182, 183, 184. Now I want also two numbers that comes after 184. As we are counting forward, we are going forward, the numbers are becoming big. 180, let me correct the 8. We must write our numbers correctly. 180, 84, 185, 5. 180. 185. 186. After 186, 187, 188, 186, 187, 188, 188, 189. Can you see? 190, 191. Our pen is 191, 192. Let us 192, 193, 194, 190. Which number comes here? 195. 195. 100. Which number comes here? Give me the answer. 195. 196. Are you typing the answers there? I want to see your answers there. 196. The number that is between 196 and 198. Give me the number that's supposed to be here. Which number is between here? 196, 197. Perfect. 196, 197, 198, 199. The last number. The last number. Can you give me the answer there, Charlotte? Charlotte, type the answer for me. Charlotte, type the answer. I want the last number. What is the number? The last number after 199. Karabo, give me the answer. 199. Kate, type the answer for me there, Kate. I want to see the answer. Excellent. It is 200. It is 200. When you know the answer, you just type it in the space there. The answer is 200. Boys and girls, I want you, after the lesson, if you don't have enough books, take the box of the cereals, maybe the box of Rice Krispies or an empty box, then you can toy it, then write your own chart, make your own chart after the lesson. Look for the box of cereals in the cupboard, take it, then toy it, open it, then you write the numbers. You start at 0, you write all the numbers up to 500. You can start with 200. Start with 200, then the next day you add 100, then you have 300. The next day you put another 100, you have 400 until you are in 500. Then you know that your box, you use your box to count. You have numbers in your box there if you don't have a book. Now I want you to hold your bottles now. Those empty containers that I said you must bring, just put them in front of you. If check the number there, is your bottle 250 milliliters? Does your bottle have this number? Check it. Does it have 200? If it's small, it will have 250. Some of you, your bottle has 500, is 500 milliliters. If your bottle is 500 milliliters, just record it in the paper. You have a paper in front of you or a book. Just record the amount that is written in your bottle. Just record it. If it's 2 liters, it's still fine. Check your bottle here. Down there. Your bottle has numbers. Just record the numbers there. If your tomato sauce is 500 milliliters, just write it in the paper. Your 2 liter bottle, maybe it's a 2 liter of milk or of water. Also, I want you to record the numbers in front of your containers there. Even if it's a 1,5, 1.5, or 2.5, just write it. Remember, you start writing the name of that bottle. If it's tomato sauce, you write tomato sauce, then you write equals to. If it's 1 liter, you write 1 liter. You write 1 liter. Is everybody done with your measurement there? You write 1 liter, then you write equals to. If your bottle is written 1 liter. If it's 500, it's fine. If it's 300, if it's 200 or it's 2 liters, it's still fine. I hope now you recorded your measurements. Now, I want to remind you, we said 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters makes 1 liter. 1,000 milliliters makes 1 liter. Remember, we are learning these big numbers so that when you go to grade 3, we don't struggle. 1,000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. 1,000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. 1 liter. So now we have milliliters in front of us. Those bottles that you normally buy juice, that you normally like get some milk, also we have these small bottles. 250 milliliter at 250 milliliter. Do you remember milliliters are smaller than liters? So 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter equals to 500 milliliters. Equals to 500 milliliters. We are still far from liters. 500 milliliters. Now we come here. 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. You get water, you get juice, anything that is have 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter equals to 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter equals to, who can give me the answer? Who can give me the answer? Equals to 1 liter. Equals to 1 liter. 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter equals to 1 liter. I said when you go to the supermarket after lockdown, when you buy, you don't say, I want that one, that smaller one. You say, I want 500 milliliter. You look at the number and you buy it, you say then, because now you have learned grade 2. We no longer say that small bottle, we say in milliliters. If it's a liter, you see 1 liter of milk in the shelves, in the shops, you just say 1 liter. You don't say that milk that is in the plastic. You can see we have 1 liter. 1 liter. There is our container of 1 liter. Can you see it? 1 liter. Even 1 liter also, it's also written, you can see in front of it there, down at the bottom. At the bottom, look at your container. If it has the numbers there. I usually say mathematics is everywhere. We count everything. Even when we look at our bottles in our fridges, in our cupboard, we count, we see numbers, we read those numbers. We read numbers when we see them. So we have 1 liter, 500 plus 500 milliliter equals to 1 liter, equals to 1 liter. Let us continue. 1 liter. 500 milliliter. 500 milliliter. There is a container for 500 milliliter. Our answer that we got from here when we add 250 plus 250. There is our bottle, 500 milliliter. Now I want you to look here now. Now it is your turn. I want you to give me the answer for here. There is this. Do you see the answer? 1 liter plus 1 liter equals to 2 liter. 1 liter plus 1 liter equals to 2 liter. Now I want you to give me the answers for this one. Give me the answer for this one. 5 liter. Do you see this, the 5 liter? 5 liter plus 5 liter. The big bottles that normally we go and buy water, petrol, anything that you want it in big numbers, or paraffin. 5 liter plus 5 liter. Give me the total. Sally, give me the total. Type the answer for me there, Sally. I can see Uritabi Sise. Your hand is up. Type the answer for me there. Type the answer. Tessa, did you all got it right? Yes, it's E. We have 10 liter. All the time when we are giving like liters, your answer must also be in liters. You must also write, do you see this? This one is of cursive. Your answer must always have, so it can show that you are adding in liters. 5 liter plus 5 liter equals to 10 liter. Here is our 10 liter. Now I want you to write quickly. Take your pen and pencil. Pen, pencil, ruler. Now we are here and your paper. Let's read. We read in grade 2. Make a cross at the correct answer. They say you must make at the correct answer a cross. container will fill the bucket quick? Here is our bucket. We are comparing the milk jug and the what? The teaspoon. Which one will fill the bucket quick? Which one? I see 2 hands up. Which one is the teaspoon? The teaspoon will fill here quick. No. Which one? The milk jug. They say we must make a cross. There is a cross. Good boys and girls. I can see all of you get right. Let's go to number 2. There, they left the space for us here. There, hold most water. Let's see. They are comparing what here? There, we compare here the 5 liter and the bath. The 5 liter and the bath. Which one holds most water? Which one? This one or this one? Which one? The bath or the 5 liter? We must write our answer here. We must write our answer here. The bath. Yes, the bath. They didn't say we must make a cross. We must write the answer here. The bath. Let's write it here. The bath. Let's read. The bath holds most water. The bath holds most water. Here is our bath. Who's bathing here? Is this your friend? Now I want you to write this one's number sequencing. We did number sequencing. Write everything that is on the board here. Capacity, milliliters equals to, right here. Write all this. Capacity, milliliters equals to, liters equals to, 250 milliliter, 1 liter. I want you to write plus 250 milliliter. Or take, after I finish writing here, you take a screenshot. Write quickly. 1 liter plus 1 liter equals to 250 plus 250 milliliter equals to 1 liter plus 1 liter equals to 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter equals to, are you writing? So after class, you are going to practice this. 250 milliliter plus 250 milliliter equals to 1 liter plus 1 liter equals to 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter equals to, are you writing? Or you can take a screenshot. Don't forget the number sequencing. I said you must take a box of cereals in the cupboard there and write the numbers. Write the numbers. You can start today by writing up to 200. Then you take a break. Tomorrow, you add another 100, or maybe you add 200 while you write your numbers there. Write them neatly. They are going to help you when you do your times tables, those numbers. When you count, you are going to use that chart that you have made. Is everybody done? Today we have a lot of homework. Take a screenshot again. Take a screenshot. 1 cup holds, a cup holds 1 liter. You'll measure in the house this one. 1 cup holds your cups in the house. 1 liter plus 1 liter. Do you remember? I did it the last in my last page there. Draw an object that can hold less. Draw an object that can hold less. Draw an object that can hold more. Write numbers in multiples of 4 to 40. Remember, we are not going to school. We've got a lot of homework for today, ne? After the literacy lesson, you go back to your homework. And it's easy homework. You draw here, you draw here, you are writing the numbers. So it's a very easy homework for you. Take a screenshot quickly. Is everybody done? Tomorrow, remember I said you must keep on calling in the drawers in the house there. Tomorrow, we are going to make a present for our mothers for Mother's Day. We are going to do a gift for our mothers for Mother's Day. You can choose if you want to make a bracelet or a key holder. You can choose. Maybe make a gift for mothers. It can be for your aunt or for your granny for Mother's Day on Sunday. We are going to prepare our present tomorrow. We are going to prepare our present. I see Tutukani, your hand is up. So keep on collecting this for our key holder so that when we do it tomorrow, we don't struggle. We've got all the things. We have all the things tomorrow. Go and look for them outside in the drawers. Outside in the drawers, go and look for them. All these things, go and look for them. Ask for mommy if she doesn't use her old beads, then you can take them. We use them for tomorrow. Is everybody done? Did you take a screenshot? Choose colors, make beautiful thing. Bring a string because normally we make a bracelet with that thing that for fish. We normally use that one. Fish lane, we normally use fish lane for the bracelet, but because lockdown, a string. When lockdown is over, then you can tie it with a fish lane. But these ones, we have them in our homes, ne? We have the one that is broken. because we are going to make a fresh, a new one. We've come to the end of our lesson. I want you to stand up. Let's sing. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show, if you're happy and you know, turn around. If you're happy and you know, turn around. Bye.